Hey, what's going on? It's Chad, and how can you swipe your way to riches, right? How can you actually just use other people's content? You see that? That was kind of gross. Oh, well. All right, keep on going. Oh, well. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm actually eating a protein bar. I'm starving. Instead of stopping and getting food, I'm just keep on going at it, right? Just keep working, get things in. All right, so I want to show you guys how you can basically take other people's emails they send you, and you can actually resend them to your list, do group invites. You could actually just post them on Facebook. Here we go. So this is what you could do, and this is what I'm doing. Okay, bring it on in. So you get an email over here. So here we go. So let's do David Wood. So Dave sends out this email right here. So what did I do? I took this whole thing here and went, okay. Now I took it over to my autoresponder. And I created a new email. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do on how to like flip out the links and put your own links in there. Paste. I don't really like it how small this is, so I'll actually increase the size of the font. There we go. Okay. So first things first is I'll go over here. And I want to see what each link does because some of these are different, right? All right, this is loading. Okay, so this is the all access. So you're going to take this and you're going to replace it with your link. Okay, boom, one done. Now I'm going to come back over here to get response. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to click on this link. Then I'm going to go boom. Paste. Then this is the Monday Night and Power Hour. So I'm going to click here and click flip out. Now you want to use your username. It'll probably be some sort of numbers or something, or if you've been in here a long time, you're like me, you'll be a some sort of username like this. So take that, boom, on over here. All right, now you're gonna check. I've already checked these, but you want to check each individual one to see where it's supposed to be going, right? And what you can do is you can say, so yeah, you just kind of want to read through it because Monday Night Call, see, and what you can do is you can say, you know, from my mentor, Dave. Hey, folks. There we go. And then put, you can do that. Like if he wrote it in his words, right? Like where it sounds like him and it's using like, I was just on this hangout or this or that. Then you want, if you don't want to have to go through and edit everything and say, you know, have to change it into you. But this seems, I explain. See, you could say he explains. You could just switch it out to like he explains everything on this call. Because Monday Night's Call contains a secret of freedom. We're creating freedom. And what is it exactly? It's the land of the new rich. Thursday at 9 p.m. till we coming back to visually break down the secret. So you want to click on each one. So this would be another one of the all access link, right? So you want to send them specifically this. And so what you can do is at the end of this, click out all these links, make sure that they're all from you, your username, each one of them, because each one of them are going to be from Dave, right? So then you can say from, you can, if you want to keep love, that's cool. Chad and Dave Wood. Boom. And then send that out to your list. Another thing you can do with this is go, boom. You can come over here, take this. Copy it, go to Facebook. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to come over here and group or events, excuse me. Go over to events, go to create event, go paste. Okay, so now what you do, so what we have actually, what I did, let me show you what I actually did. I sent out, because we actually had a team webinar last night that sold for us that Toby was on too. So it's actually kind of congruent. So what I did was I took this. I'm going to actually take this whole one because I already flipped out the words and stuff. Okay. Control Command V. Boom. There we go. All right. So now what you can do is you can come in here and be like, okay, here was the training from last night. Yeah, I want to use. So, and I'll give you guys some advanced stuff if you're looking to build your list. The other thing is people that you really want this information, they don't necessarily want to be, or you want to see if they really want it. Some people will just go check it out for a minute and they don't really care, whatever. So here we go. This is what you did, and I'll show you guys what I did with that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to do this. All right, where are we at here? Events. All right, so click here. Boom. So now what you can do, say you want to be a little bit more incognito, right? You don't necessarily want people to know. I mean, they're going to click, as soon as they click on it, they're going to know. But you can go over here and go bit.ly. Shortener. Or whatever. There's all kinds of different shortening links. Boom. And it just looks a lot cleaner, right? People don't like clicking on affiliate links. That's kind of been proven. Okay, so keep on going down. Boom. Boom. Okay, so now we need the all access link, right? Go back over here. Boom. Copy. Run over here. Boom. Okay. So I'm giving them so much to look at in this webinar, and you think the more people get, people are in like hardcore research mode. They're really like looking for something. They'll go through and they'll be like, I'll watch this whole webinar, then I'll go watch this like, or listen to this call, and then I'll go listen to this like new, and then after that they'll be like, holy shit, I need to join this right now because I'm missing out, right? And they will see the value in it. So which one do I want to go for? I want to actually promote this one because it'll actually help build my list, and I'll show you how in a second here. What was the title of that was last week? Creating the New America. I like it. So what I like to do is I don't like to okay, so let's get, okay, Monday call, just need that to kind of splash that around a little bit more. Boom. Anywhere it says click here, you want to put that in there. Boom and boom. Okay, cool. So now I put 9 p.m. tonight. Okay. So let me show you what you can do here. So you can upload a photo for your event. Now I have a few photos. I use this one. This one's really good for well, yeah. So this one's really good because it says, oh well, this one's really good for an 8 p.m. I guess. So this is good for the Wednesday one, and I'd recommend to take it from the basically any of my events that I use for the Wednesday training. Let's see here what else we have going on. So this is an 8FM thing. Let's see, there's just random ones in here I could use of me speaking. I could, you know, use this. I could use a quote thing. Maybe, you know, let's check this one out, see how it works. Might not fit right. Yeah, it doesn't really fit right. This is not my strong point. Gun control, something, I don't know. House blueprint. Let's just use some number. Go, 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 go. Ah, that looks good, right? All right, good enough. Moving on. You don't want to dwell on like all the details and making shit look pretty. It just doesn't pay, right? Okay, so how do you invite? So there is a Google Chrome extension that I use. Now, don't get like too hung up on all this, but it's called, what is this one called? I think it's called Select All. So Google Chrome extensions, Select All Facebook, and you'll find it, right? But what it allows you to do is go through and hit the Select All people. But let me show you what I can do. So I can actually come through here and go, okay, actually, the event ones it doesn't seem to be working for some reason. I'm not sure why. Let's do groups. All right, so team. So I want to definitely invite my team that I have. Who else do I want to join or to do this? Entrepreneurs. Sure. Add this to entrepreneurs. Yes, definitely. I have a free traffic group or free training group that I basically just use to give value to people that are not in my team. And so this takes a little bit of time. So you want to go through and find groups that you have a bunch of friends in that would get value from this, right? Or that you want to bring them into your world. And you just send them an invite. And you can only do 500. The trick is you could actually do multiple ones, multiple events, and invite more people. It's just kind of a pain. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is more advanced training right now, right? So when we have one of these 8FM trainings that we do, and there's always swipe for it, you can actually go and build your own capture page. So you can use InstaBuilder, or you can use like a Lead Pages or a ClickFunnels or whatever, it doesn't matter. And then you get, okay, so this is what I've done is I've taken part of the email and basically turned it into a capture page so it converts the best. So what I'll actually do is I will get rid of this since it's a replay. And I will put now. There you go. So yeah, so I basically took this. The first one I was on, but I like to brand myself, so screw it. We'll just put me in there, even though I'm not in this one. And you can do that too, because that will brand yourself on the front end. And so then you can publish, and you can take this. Now you have this link, and you can use these Hangouts as a lead magnet to get leads. So hopefully this is all super helpful for you. I appreciate you guys. So tonight, make sure you're on the Empower training at 9. It's going to be super, super powerful. You're going to learn amazing stuff. And share, share, share. Oh, this is one other thing you can do. Check it out. You can actually take this thing. I guess I can do this too. So, and what I'll have to do is I'll have to go through and edit it, because I don't necessarily put links all up on Facebook, but I'll have people message me. So, so I will take this and I'll actually, boom. Okay, so this is in. So I will actually just post this straight up on Facebook. So, and you can put the links on there if you want, and you might get some people clicking through and checking it out. And so that I recommend as a new person, definitely to do that. So I appreciate you guys, and hopefully you're having an awesome day. Definitely be on tonight's Hangout, your webcast. It's going to be amazing, and I appreciate you guys. Talk to you soon.